Are you looking for a monitor that offers over 1 billion colors and the ability to connect multiple devices via HDMI and USB-C? Well then, let me introduce the AOC 27-inch monitor that has a model number of U27B3CF, and of course there will be a link in the video description. But this entails having a 27-inch or 68.6cm display, which has an Ultra HD 4K resolution of 3840 by 2160, plus having an IPS panel offering a wide viewing angle alongside HDMI and USB-C connection. A quick glance down the side of your box, it also shares further information including your energy rating. Enough said, let's get it unboxed and see what we get inside. Just to note, there is a little diagram here explaining how to best take your monitor out of the box. On the opposite side there is a diagram showing you how to set up when connecting to a PC. First up is your HDMI cables. You have two HDMI ports on this monitor, so one's going to be for my Mac/PS5 and one will be for my Xbox. Both HDMI ports are 2.0. Then you have your USB-C connection here, so this will be great for my MacBook Pro. So it offers power delivery up to 65 watts and is an alternative to DisplayPort, and it's a USB-C 3.2. Then we move on to our paperwork, so a fact sheet here from the factory. Then you have your user manual and also a quick start guide here, so able to get all the information you require. However, if you do have any questions or queries though, please leave a comment down below, as we're more than happy to help. This community is filled full of people willing to help and share the latest answers. You also require this tool to help screw in some screws to mount your column and stand to the back of your monitor. Here are those screws that I've just mentioned. You're going to use that tool to help screw these in, so when connecting your column and stand to the main monitor. And we have our UK 3-pin plug, which I'll be using here for the UK, but also you will get provided an EU plug. This has the 3 pins that we'll use in the UK, and it also has a kettle connection for its connecting port. No power brick required. And just like magic, here is your EU connection, as I have just said. Again, same as the UK 3-pin option, this uses a kettle connection. Then we have our column, which will have our mounting plate on that you'll need to screw on, which I'll show a little bit later on. Just take the protection packaging off this. You see that base plate there, squared base plate, and you see the 4 holes, and again you see the connection here at the bottom. Quite a sleek, slender design, quite a simplistic design as well for this monitor. For every column, you also need a base plate. So this is our base plate here. So circular design, just taking it out of the protection packaging again. You see the mounting bracket that we'll put into the column. A circular design here, the locking nuts that you can either use a screwdriver with or twist with your own hands. As you can see, it easily picks up fingerprints, and one note is that there's rubberized feet on the back as well for sturdiness. If you've seen my videos previously around monitors, you'd know I'm a fan of a joystick control stick option navigating through your monitor options. However, this monitor has a series of buttons that are tactile and under your right hand side of your monitor when stood up. Then we're taking a quick look at our connections here. So you've got your HDMI, you've got 2 of those, and they're HDMI 2.0. Your USB-C connection, which is 3.2, offers power delivery up to 65 watts, so able to charge devices, as well as being a DisplayPort alternative. Then you've got your USB-A, you've got fast charging option and the standard option. You've got headphones out, which is 3.5mm jack, as well as your power connection. Next step is to take your column and your base plate here, and we're going to connect them in. So what you need to do is align these up here, and it's quite a strong locking nut that is provided for you. Quite easy. Just twist this and then you can tighten it either by your hand or with a screwdriver. With the tool provided, align the holes up and use the nuts to screw it in together. Once that's done, your monitor is set up and ready to connect. So I've got this currently connected to my Mac Mini. Do love the new Mac Mini that's just been released. Also my PS5 and my Xbox One X or Series X. So multiple different devices all connecting in. The main one that I'm looking forward to using is the USB-C connection. However, a little bit more about this monitor just before we wrap up. So as I said, 27 inches in size, UHD resolution, so 4K, IPS panel, so a wide viewing angle, USB-C connection, power delivery up to 65 watts, HDR10 content, so that means your games will come alive with HDR content, height adjustment and tilt, so you're able to move your monitor in an ergonomic way to make sure it's in the best position for you, adaptive adaptive sync technology, 3-sided frameless design, 60Hz refresh rate, 4 milliseconds response time, and then, as I said right at the beginning, over 1 billion colors, which is just simply incredible. One thing here from a vision impaired person's point of view that focuses on accessibility is of course the low blue light. This removes the harsh blue light, which means you're able to game for longer, or in my case need to edit for a lot longer as I'm behind on videos. So make sure to subscribe for my latest review on this monitor, as well as looking at a comparison with the previous monitor that I've also unboxed on the channel, and that's the AOC U27B3CF, and we'll see what they are compared to next to each other, because I'm reviewing two monitors at the same time. Let me know which monitor you may choose and for what reason. I will make sure to leave a link to this monitor from AOC, and also there will be an Amazon link. Please note, when buying through the Amazon link, you're helping support the channel as it is an affiliate link. And all that's left for me to say is thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a like if you had, and make sure to check out some of my latest videos here. And on the right hand side, make sure to click my wonderful face to subscribe today, and click the notification bell to be updated once I release new videos. For me, Ricky, thanks for watching and have a great day.